money in savings.
Yeah, showed us what we could save, all the perks, the
Right.
rebates, the tax credits. We said, it does not sound like a bad deal. And we felt we could pay for the system within, a few years. And we said, yeah, let's do it.
Save money, that's what we're all about.
Yep.
The savings.
The savings.
The savings.
Yeah,
It sounded like a
it
good
sounded
deal.
like a good deal.
No electric bill, come on. This is
RTP
good.
was going to handle everything for us. We basically didn't have to do anything, and it just sounded like a good deal. Biggest concern was how soon we could pay for the system versus if we were going to stay in the house. I'm
It's
figuring
payable.
like 4.5 years.
Oh, 4.5.
4.5 years. Coop our investment, exactly, yeah. Good. And I'll be honest with you, I did a lot of research myself. No complaints, no issues whatsoever. I think it was installed in a timely fashion,
Right.
We're happy, yeah. I was actually impressed with how fast everything came together. I thought this would be a drawn-out process, weeks, months maybe.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna take way longer than it did. It was
and I
quick.
think it probably due to the, weather issues, maybe delayed it a little longer, but I had no complaints. I thought it was
very
done
quick.
extremely timely manner. Oh, definitely, yeah.
Definitely, I
Yeah,
would.
I thought it was handled very professionally
Right,
and
we're very satisfied,
very satisfied, yeah.
very. And we're just waiting to count the money when it starts coming in. Well, I am.
Yeah.